All right, so today we're fixing a broken gas line. It was broke by a contractor that was digging a hole in the ground for the 6x6 right here for the gate. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna clean the pipe after it's been exposed. Then we're gonna measure, then we're gonna cut the pipe, and then we're gonna replace it with the brand new gas line. 27. So now what we're doing is we're going to cut a live gas line. We want to cover all of our bases, so we're going to show stab depths off the poly pipe. So what I'm doing, I'm going to measure this up. With my marker, I'm going to draw stab depths on both sides. We want to make sure it goes in there just right before we spin it. All right.
And here you can see we are bubble testing the gas line to make sure we don't have any leaks on the new repair.
And we have a good solid connection.
Here is a shot of the old gas line that has been clamped off to stop the flow of gas. And here's a picture of the new repair with silicone tape to protect the hardware and fittings and the tracer wire put back together.